Hello all, welcome and welcome back again to our channel All Things With Us, and welcome back again for another amazing video. So as you can see on the screen, this is the console number 1, and also we have console number 2. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make these two console table, and I want you to tell me in the comment section which one was the best. Anyway, if you're new here, feel much welcome to our channel All Things With Us. Thank you for joining us, and if you're already a subscriber, thank you for always supporting us by liking our videos, commenting on them, and coming back and watching and more of our videos. So as I said earlier, today we are going to be making two consoles, and I'm going to be starting with this one. So most of these frames I usually do them off camera, that is, and I already did make the two frames. So for the first one, I'm going to be using this car filler that I did buy, and I'm going to be mixing these two paste here, the pink one and the white one. The white one, this one creamish, it's the filler, and then this pink one helps this filler to dry quickly. So I'm going to be starting by mixing them, then applying to the joints so that the joints can be smoother, and then after that I'm going to be sanding it and going to spray paint it with another coat, because I did the first painting and let it dry. Then I'm going to fill it, and then I'm going to be spray painting it 2 times so that I can get a good finish. So that is basically what I'm going to be doing. And after it was dry, I'm going to be putting the top of it, which was the glass as preferred by the client, and I'm going to be using silicone for this one, this silicone that you see on the screen. Also I'm going to be using this hot glue so that it can hold the mirror in place as the silicone dries. Now for the console number 2, this is the frame. Already did make it. So the measurements are 1 feet by 3 feet and the height is 3 feet, but you can use any preferred measurements for this one according to the space that you are decorating with, or where you are going to be putting the console. And for this one, I'm going to start by putting this small plastic at the bottom, which will act as legs so that it can reduce the friction. And then after that I'm going to be spray painting it. This is the same procedure as the first one, so I'm going just to spray paint it and then add the tops later on, but you will see in the video. Then for the tops, I'm going to be making two tops as you can see on the screen, and I'll be covering the top using this marble Formica. I'm going to be using contact glue to attach the Formica on top of these boards so that I can attach them and bring out a marble effect for this console table. So keep watching the video till the end so that you can tell me which console table was the best one in the comment section. Don't forget to like this video, comment on it and share. And then if you haven't subscribed yet to our channel, this is your chance. Take some time, some minutes, and subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever we upload new videos. Don't forget to comment and tell me what you think about the two consoles that we made today.